Welcome back, everyone, to Living in East County, and I am here at a very special place to my heart, and that is a restaurant called Cocina Medina here in Antioch, California. Now, for those that don't know about Cocina Medina, let me give you a little backstory for myself. I'm married to a Latina woman. I've ate at tons and tons of Mexican restaurants, and this is by far the best around. So, if you have not ever been to Cocina Medina in Antioch, California, 100% recommend you doing it. But I have the owner here, Raphael. But tell everybody a little bit about the history. Like, how did you decide this restaurant, Cocina Medina, and all of that?
Well, a little bit of history is like I always worked in the restaurant business,
okay,
and I really like to work with the families, to see our customers come and enjoy dinner. I worked for many, many years, and for this company, as this beer already for 40 years. What I learned, I talked to my wife, like what's my goal to open a restaurant, to work with my family, brothers and sisters. And then just bring a little bit of Mexico. I'm from Jalisco, bring it to the restaurant business as we worked together for a couple years, my wife and I, to put the menu together, ideas, recipes, and this is it.
So I'm here with Sabrina, Raphael's daughter.
I work here because I want to, not because my parents force me to, as some may think. But I genuinely enjoy working here. I love seeing, customers that I really get close to. They really do become family. It's awesome. I've been here since I was 12, so it's been 16 years. I'm ready to retire at, 27, but that will be happening.
I don't think that's happening today, at least.
Not happening today, but yeah, I really, really do enjoy it.
What would be the one item or two items that you would absolutely recommend?
I would say choose something that you can't get anywhere else, and that would be something that incorporates our salsa Diablo sauce.
Okay.
So we have either the enfadoso or the camarones a la diabla, and those are either steak or chicken platters or the shrimp platter.
I'm a steak ranchero guy, just so you know. They know when I come in here what I'm getting. I'm adding shrimp into it, but phenomenal.
That was my next thing, it's a steak ranchero. We have a nice platters, like chicken enfadoso, the shrimp, fajitas. We have amazing chile rellenos.
Awesome. So tell me a little bit about the drinks. You guys got a few drinks here that are pretty well known. Some off menu, some on menu. Tell the people so when they walk in, they know they came from us. What are some drinks that they need to have?
So the drinks, we have the margaritas. Again, we have a special sweet and sour. The way we make the drinks, we have the top shelf is amazing. We also have a lot of flavors. Mm-hmm. A lot of flavors. We have number one selling in flavors is mango and strawberry. And we also have amazing Mexican selection tequilas, sipping tequilas. And
lots
I know
of tequilas.
You did.
Yes,
I know you tried
it before.
Lots
of tequilas, a lot.
So I really like the mango margarita. And I think what's really cool is we have the big 60-ounce margaritas. And it's a great deal. 60 ounce.
Bring a driver with you.
Yes, bring a driver, Uber, whatever. We'll figure it out. We'll give you a ride, whatever needs to happen to be safe.
Yes.
But the 60-ounce margarita, or it's the same as a pitcher, so 5.5 drinks, and it's a really good deal. And also, we have an amazing tequila collection. As you know,
yes,
my parents are obsessed with collecting tequila, and we have a lot of tequila that we go to Mexico and actually bring back with us that you just can't get here. So
for all your tequila drinkers like myself who love tequila, this is the place to come and get those drinks. So the tequila is great, the food is great, the margarita is great, the service is great, family-run business is amazing. I don't know what else I got to tell you to come here, but if you don't come here in the next 24 hours to 7 days, we're pretty disappointed. So thank you again.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for being an amazing customer. We appreciate. He's very, very sweet to the staff. So
I try my best. As always, thank you for tuning in. We really appreciate it. On to the next episode, but we'll see you inside.
Thanks.